What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have an intro video into WePower. WePower is pretty much a blockchain-based green energy trading platform. WePower enables renewable energy producers to raise capital by issuing their own tradable token. And with these tokens, pretty much just represent energy that they're committing to produce and deliver. Energy tokenization simplifies and opens global currently existing energy investment ecosystem. As a result, energy producers can trade directly with green energy buyers and at below market rates. WePower aims at cutting the current problems of access to capital for renewable energy producers and access to investment directly for the final consumer. So when I took a look at WePower's white paper, what that kind of reminded me of was Power Ledger. But probably going to be seeing a video where I compare those two sometime in the future. But really quick though, folks, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 451 billion. Before I forget, today's volume is 27 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 36.2, down about almost 3% for the day, sitting just below 9,700. Ethereum down 3% as well, sitting just above 783, just below 785. Looking to add to the bag on this one. Ripple down 3. This could possibly come back down to about 82. I'm trying to get a buy on this one as well. Bitcoin Cash up 6, EOS down 6. Bitcoin Cash up 5, EOS down 6. Who are the big winners today? Elastos up 10, Bank to the Future up 8, Ethereum Classic up 6.5, DigiDAO up 1. Big losers, Bitcoin Private, 0x, Polymath. But you folks came here for some WePower. Market cap is sitting at 62 million. Today's volume is 5.6 million. Circulating supply 423 million. Total supply 745 million. Currently sitting at about 14 cents in USD value, down 3% for the day. Sitting at 1,500 satoshis, down almost about 0.25%. Major exchanges: Binance, Huobi, Liquid, and CoinFalcon, and IDX and DDEX looks like are the major exchanges, at least the ones I recognize. We've been busy. View the announcement page. Blockchain-based green energy trading platform. WePower fuels renewable energy production by enabling developers to raise capital by selling their energy production upfront in the form of tradable smart energy contracts. Get in touch, watch the video. I definitely recommend you guys watch the video. Their platform is live already. Let me go ahead and let me see if I can pull up the roadmap. Bam. So we are in 2018 quarter 2. So quarter 1, February closing. Financing raised 40 million USD dollars. February start of SBC Energy Australia program. April 1st, WePlatform launch, so they are live. May, connection to the energy infrastructure, which is the month we just started. So they are making progress, folks. Quarter 3, July platform testing, and then August countrywide energy tokenization test in Estonia. And then for the last quarter here in 2018, November WePower operational in Spain, Estonia, and Australia. December distribution donated energy to token holders. So by the end of 2018, folks, they're expected to be live in Spain, Estonia, and Australia. That's a pretty big move if you ask me. That's only the beginning. They have their 2019 we're not going to be taking a look at. But let's go back to the main page here. Renewable energy financing and trade with WePower. Standardized digital smart energy contracts provide flexible yet standardized power purchase process. Transparent blockchain-based technology solution allows fully transparent energy trade accounting. Efficient, simple fundraising process saves time and resources for project developers and energy buyers. And tradable. Smart energy contracts are liquid and easily tradable within the platform. Pay only for the energy you use, which is the way it should be. Renewable energy project financing. WePower's platform provides a streamlined and flexible renewable energy project fundraising solution, which saves time, effort, and delivers high returns to renewable energy generation facility developers. And this is just kind of how it works. We go from the renewable energy to the WePower due diligence, which then goes to the auction, which a smart contract is created, then offered to the market, and then the funds, and then we just repeat. So the supported facilities, folks, this is important, is solar, wind, hydro, and local. Because I feel like this is important because some of you were maybe just thinking, oh, maybe it's just solar, maybe it's just wind, but no, it's hydro and local. Local, I feel like that can mean anything, really. And this is from the managing partner. We wish to develop more renewable energy plants, and we are happy that WePower is creating a novel way to finance renewable energy development. We believe that people participation will enable a faster transition to a fully renewable future of Spain, as Spain is one of the countries blessed by an abundant amount of sunshine and a strong available infrastructure. Oops, sorry about that. Tradable smart energy contracts. We're not going to read that too much. Liquidity options, direct trade, the WePower marketplace, and the energy wholesale marketplace. Smart contract, you have a project ID, location, and the price. The technology, more details about it, and the time frame. Most likely going to be within months and years. These are their locations here, where the projects are being worked on. Probably going to be seeing some in the US pretty soon. The team. I'm not going to take a look too much at the team. Trying to keep this video short. We're already at 6 minutes. Go ahead and look at some price action, folks. Let's go back to BTC USD on the daily. So price has came as low as about 9,400 to test for our breakout from our little triangle here for support. I'm waiting until we find support here again, folks. Actually, switch over to the 4 hour. Wait until we find support on the 4 hour. Once we do find support on the 4 hour, I will be taking a buy. But until, as Bitcoin's rising, I'm expecting these altcoins to bleed. Just be patient. I don't think, it's going to be a both Bitcoin season and an altcoin season. I think it's going to be either or, but who knows? I'm just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. I feel like Bitcoin isn't going to be making those parabolic moves that it did last year. It's kind of, it's got its own little tempo that it's going at from what it seems like, but who knows? So I'm waiting to find support on the 4 hour, probably going to be around 9,400, 9,375. Wait for that 4 hour confirmation before you decide to buy that dip. Or you can wait till we break and close above 9,900 on the 4 hour and then take a buy. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has retraced as low as 765. Let's go ahead and switch over to that 4 hour. So we did have a nice little double top here at about, 816, almost 815. Momentum heading towards the downside, no signs of slowing down. Ethereum probably going to be coming down to about 720 maybe. Yeah, most likely going to be coming down to 720. This is our uptrend. If we don't hold at this level at 745, expect Ethereum to come back down to about 715 to 720. But what we should be doing is looking on the hourly to see if we hold at this level. So we'll see what happens here, folks. If we break and close above 800 here on the hourly, Ethereum should be good to go again. Not going to be slowing down. But other than that, wait till we, wait for that 4 hour confirmation of support. Wait for us to come down here and test and bounce. If not, wait for that break and close above 800 on the hourly, and you'll be good. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin sitting at 170. Switch over to that 4 hour. So rejected twice here, folks. Momentum definitely heading towards the downside. Litecoin probably looking like we're going to retrace to about 164, 165. Let me go ahead and switch over to the hourly, see what the hourly is showing us. So Litecoin actually looks like it broke its uptrend. Nice little consolidation here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Failed to form the higher high. Now we're down here. So what I'm looking for, folks, is I'm looking for a break and close above 173, 174 on the hourly. If we do get that break and close above 174 on the hourly, Litecoin should be good to go. But if not, if we don't hold at this level, expect Litecoin to fall down to about 160 to 165 zone. And then most likely it'll be forming a nice little dip here and then heading towards the upside. But other than that, folks, wait for that break and close above 173 on the hourly. But you folks came here for some WePower to Bitcoin technical analysis. Binance is the broker. We're looking at the 4 hour here. This is a new coin, not much, price action on it. So it is at a steal, like I said, sitting at 14 cents in USD value at 1,500 Satoshis. So we did the analysis on this about 2-3 days ago, I believe. Since then, I've just kind of been waiting for it to play out. Price hasn't retraced to the price I've expected here at 1,350 Satoshis. However, price has held here at our other major support at 1,470 Satoshis. Came down to test for support. Looks like we came down again to test for support. This 4-hour candle doesn't close for another hour. So I'm actually looking to take a buy here, folks. But what I'm waiting for is, because we did get a nice little rejection, looks, actually, if we zoom into the smaller time frames, I'm pretty sure that's a head and shoulders. Well, that's a big shoulder, I guess, or maybe not, but came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down. But what I'm waiting here, folks, is I'm waiting for the break and close above 1,570 Satoshis on the hourly, not the 15-minute. But once we get that break and close above 1,570 Satoshis on the hourly, WePower should be good to go. Right about here. Wait for the break and close above this level, folks. Once we break and close above this level, should be good to go. If not, definitely expect it to retrace down to about 1,370. Once we do reach this level, I would buy the dip. This would be the perfect price. However, I do believe, it looks like when we switch over to the 4-hour, like price is going to hold here. A lot of consolidation. I'm seeing a lot of higher lows being formed, so I'm waiting for the break and close above this level on the hourly. Momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside, so we could get a pretty big push here. Don't be surprised. Last time we were at this price, we did jump from about 1,470 all the way up to about a liquidity check here at 1,900. So, we could be getting the same thing. Don't be surprised. But again, waiting for the break and close above 1,570. Once we do, should be good to go. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.